Hello friends, welcome to Online News Mania. Bala here. Friends, today's video about unboxing and specification of the product. Recently, I have bought Prestige Induction Cook Top Pic 20.0. So friends, I want to share something about the product. Friends, if you observe the left side of the product, you will find small user manual and instruction guide. The cooktop made with anti-magnetic wall and automatic voltage regulator. And you can also find user settings in the top of the product. And friends, you can prepare almost all Indian menu options. If you check in the top of the cooktop, it shows the time with user preset. And friends, please use induction based cookware. Finally, it is very light, maybe it has around 1.9 kgs. In the box, you will find user manual and warranty card. For more details, you can directly go to the Prestige website. You can find the website link in the below description area. Friends, if you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you all, and we'll get back to you very soon with another video.